Hey, Matt Webley here, hope you're doing all right. So just a super quick video. The weather's just started to get nice in Dubai. What do I mean? It's always nice in Dubai. No, summer's too hot, too sticky. It's just cooled down enough that there's a lot of people knocking about and it's just nice to be out in the evening. Anyway, that's not what I want to make this video about. What I want to make this video about is that I have actually put together a masterclass, right? An AI SaaS masterclass. Look, it's the biggest opportunity that has ever existed since I started selling online 20 odd years ago, 25 years ago, whatever it is, right? The biggest opportunity for normal people to make money using AI. AI has leveled the playing field, made it so that anybody can actually start a business now without a massive skill set, without loads of experience, without deep pockets or technical experience. AI basically takes all the hard stuff out of it and makes it really easy, fast and cheap, right? So now anybody can do it. The reason they're not doing it is because they don't know this exists, which is why I'm trying to scream from the rooftops to let normal everyday folk know that there's a window. I don't think it's going to be a 20-year window. I don't think you get time to snooze on this. You get time to build wealth right now over the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. I think after that, all bets are off. Who knows what's going to happen with AI? It's moving that quickly. But right now, there's a window. You can disrupt one of the biggest online business models there is. Huge money, growing industry. You can disrupt it with AI and AI agents. And I've created a masterclass that's going to show you how to do that step by step. There's 7 steps. I list them all. I go into it. I tell you the what. I tell you the why. And I tell you as much of the how as I can within that training session. But it's free, it's 100% free. It's a Make Money with AI Masterclass, and I will link it down below. So honestly, don't snooze on this. Make it a priority to watch this, because honestly, at the very least, it's gonna expand your mind as to what's possible right now. And like I say, there's a window of time right now whereby if you actually do something with this, actually listen to me, it's not gonna be like blooming Bitcoin, where you should have bought it 10 years ago. When I first heard of Bitcoin, I didn't jump on it either, but sometimes somebody's got to slap you around the face a little bit and say, look, opportunity is staring in the face. This is the biggest opportunity that's ever existed. I found it quickly because I'm in the industry, right? It's going to take a year or two before everybody knows about it, which is why you've got a window right now to make bank, make hay while the sun shines. If you don't do anything else this weekend, or at the latest this week, watch this free training. Just watch it. Trust me, watch it. Stick with it, go through it, watch it on 2 times speed. That's what I did earlier, and it's actually better on 2 times than it is on 1 times. You will learn stuff. You will have your mindset opened. AI and AI agents are changing the game right now. You can get in on this. Right, thanks for watching. Go click the button. Sign up for the thing. I should make more videos like this. What a view. This is my apartment block, but from the other side, which is if we stay here next year, this will be my view, but higher up. You can see the AIM Dubai there at the wheel. So yeah, if we stay in this tower next year, this will be my view. So this will be a background of the videos, but we'll see. I've still got another 6 months where we are looking the other side, which is still, I'm still on the marina. It's still lovely. I walk out there, look, and there is the marina. Anyway, thanks for watching. Go watch that training, honestly. Just set yourself aside some time this weekend or today. Just go watch it. Go watch it right now. Thanks. Bye-bye.